Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. So first things first, we're going to rinse the lemon. A good rinse. And that looks good. Now this lemon, I can tell just by pushing on it that it's going to be a little easier to juice than the other one, so we're probably not going to have to put it in the microwave. You know, at home, just take your lemon and give it a squeeze. If it gives, then you know it's probably going to be juiceable. If it's still pretty hard and maybe a little underripe, you can pop it in the microwave just like we did before for 30 seconds and it'll soften it up. So now we'll take it, and again we're just going to cut it in two. The trick that I showed you on the bread you can also use for fruit or vegetables. When you're cutting something in two with the knife, just take your hand and put it on either side, and then I'll hold it in place. Okay. I'm just going to pop a few of these seeds that I happen to see on the top out so I don't have to worry about them. But again, I'm going to juice just like this so that any seeds will get stuck in the middle or fall in my hands. Yeah, and this one's coming out a lot easier than the other one. Okay. I'm going to press a little bit with my fingers if I need to. And here's a seed. I'll go ahead and pop that out. Another trick you can do is to juice right into your fingers and you'll catch any seeds. Okay. That one is pretty much done. Move on to this one. Again, we're going to pop out any seeds that we see floating around on the top there so we don't have to worry about them later. Get that seed. And that is looking good. Nope, dropped a seed. Just fish that out of there. We're all set.